Hey guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little dessert sort of snack item that we are going to be making today. So if you got some extra pizza dough lying around, if you made some pizza dough and you just don't feel like making pizza anymore and you're looking to make something a little different, a little on the sweet side, you want to check out this video. So if you're wondering what we're going to be making, we are going to be making, if you didn't see it already from the title, we're going to be making some cinnamon sticks. Now this is just one of those super easy and simple recipes or items to put together, and it's just basically pizza dough with some melted butter, some sugar and some cinnamon powder. And I'm almost certain most of us will have these items in our house or in our kitchen, right? So it's not that hard to put together and it is just delicious. So the ingredients for our cinnamon sticks with icing is pretty simple. So I've got some pizza dough that we're going to be using. Now I usually make pizza dough and store it in the freezer. If you want to do that, you can do that as well. The ingredients are right about here. It's pretty simple. And all you're going to be doing is just kneading it all together, and you're going to let it sit it for about a half an hour, 20 minutes. If you want to let it sit for a little while, you can go ahead and leave it for about 20 minutes or so. So for the icing, you're going to be needing some powdered sugar, some vanilla essence, some milk. That's simple. And for the rest of the ingredients, we're going to be using some cinnamon powder, some melted butter, and some sugar. So you're going to be using either granulated sugar or brown sugar like I'm going to be using, or you can just use granulated sugar alone. It's all up to you. So once the dough is ready to be used, you're just going to roll it out on a lightly dusted surface, and you're going to roll it until you get the thickness that you want in your cinnamon sticks. So if you want a thin cinnamon sticks, roll it out very thin. If you want it a little thicker, make sure and just leave about a quarter inch, maybe a half inch, depends on what your thickness, what you prefer. Then you're just going to add the melted butter all on top of that dough that we just rolled out there on your baking sheet as well. Make sure it's lined with foil or it's greased so it would not be sticking. And then you're going to combine your cinnamon powder with your sugar, and you're just going to sprinkle it on there generously. Add as much as you like. We're going to pop this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 20-25 minutes until it's nice and brown. So once that is done, remove it from the oven. We're going to set it aside, let it cool a little bit before we cut it. You can add some extra, the cinnamon powder and the brown sugar or the white sugar, the sugar mixture onto it. And we're going to work on our icing. So for our icing, we're just going to combine the vanilla essence with the milk and the powdered sugar. Just going to mix it all up, and you don't want it to be too runny. And you're going to just sprinkle it on or drizzle it on all over your cinnamon sticks. And if you want even more sweetness on it, go right ahead and add a little more cinnamon powder and a little more of the sugar on top as well. Check it out, this is what it looks like. So as usual, this is one of those items that you can just have fun with. Drizzle as much icing on it. You can leave out the icing, but it's much better with the icing on. So I'd say definitely add the icing for sure. So this is our finished product. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try it out for sure. Let me know what you guys think. It's pretty nice, pretty easy to make, and I definitely hope you guys try it. So thanks so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you did like it. Be sure to share it with all your friends and your family, and I will see you guys in the next video.